What did I tell you? Okay, I told you I would do it. I mean, I can't get this in Canada, but I did it. We're able to get the majestic Wolverine popcorn bucket. And I mean, I have this tumbler already, but huh? I mean, US just does it better. What's happening, YouTube? Today we're gonna unbox the Wolverine, more of Wolverine cinema. I guess this is from AMC buckets, and one bucket, one tumbler, and also a little hopper for the drink. We'll open that up. But first, check out our brand new merch from nerdhero.ca. This is a brand new lineup of Deadpool shirts, Why Was Thor Crying shirts, and also upcoming MCU movies like Doctor Doom, like Avengers Doomsday, Fantastic Four, and much more. So go and check it out. Use the promo code BOGO50 to get 50% off your next purchase. So basically, it's a buy one, get one 50% off. All the proceeds from this website helps out the channel a lot. So if you want to help the channel, go ahead and buy one of the shirts. We would much appreciate it. Let's go on with the video. Very excited about this one. We have the popcorn bucket. Look at that. That is so nice. That is a little bit explicit there. So basically, this boom. There you go. Right. That's how you grab your popcorn up there. Okay. The inside, as you may know, right here, it's actually a silicone inside there and a little tongue just to get you going. And then you can pull this out to put all your popcorn in. Right. There we go. Little tin can. Okay. I think I warped it a little bit, but so good. I like the style of this. It says here designed by Deadpool. But if you look at the bottom, okay, right there, what does it say? What does it say? Anyways, we don't want to get demonetized here. Just to show you guys the back of it. Again, silicone part, that's where your hand kind of goes in through. You know, because I have big hands, this is not the most comfortable popcorn bucket ever. But I do love it for the. I do like it because, you know, I can't get it here. This is like a US thing only. US boys, US viewers, I have. Lucky you. But we don't get these in Canada. This is only from like, you can only get this in AMC pretty much. So yeah, you just snap it on and you're ready to go. Now, another thing that we don't get in Canada, and I think you do kind of in a way, but we get this tumbler. I mean, I have that on a different video, okay? We already unboxed that. We do get this one, and I have this one. Um, but the added bonus is this topper. So we just don't get this like top part of it, I guess. It's so weird. Like if you get one of these for like $30 in Cineplex, you don't get the topper. So there you go. So this is what the topper looks like. Show you guys. Pretty cool, right? A Wolverine ready to attack. And this just goes on top like so. And you're good to go. It's pretty cool, right? Gonna make it so it's facing each other like so. What do you think of that? Very nice, right? It's just way better looking. You know what I mean? Like this bottom part is pretty much the same, but we don't get this topper like I said earlier. So that's it. This is the combo pack for the AMC, I believe. Popcorn bucket, designed by Deadpool. Let me know if you have seen Deadpool and Wolverine as well. I also started a brand new t-shirt website. It's print on demand, so it does take a while if you order one from there. But it does help out the channel a lot if you buy some from there. The website is nerdhero.ca, and that is our brand new t-shirt lineup designed by yours truly. Okay, and it's a print on demand, so basically you order from there and I fulfill the order via Printful, and they slap on the design that I made on there, and then it ships it to you. So it takes about maybe a week or two for the product to get there, but it'll get there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, look at the t-shirts that I made for you guys, and check it out. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. What do you think of the Wolverine, popcorn bucket? Do you have one yourself? I do personally like this. I'm not gonna use this for popcorn. I mean, I'm only gonna use this for popcorn.